Hi there, welcome to our channel FreeTech. In this video we will talk about how to share large videos via cloud storage. So for this, Google Drive is the best one to sharing large files. Now I am here on my Google Drive, and let's say we want to upload a video or image here. So let's say we will go with video. So once your data is uploaded here, let's say we have this larger file here. So what you can do is click on three dots right here and then click on share. From here, click on share again. Now you need to manage access. So for this, click on restricted and now select anyone with the link. As you click, now anyone on the internet with the link can view. Copy the link and click on done. So now just send this link to anyone with whom you want to share the file, and in this way you can share large files via cloud storage. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.